What is going on, guys? It is Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today more content on my Honda S2000. Alright, so I've never removed front bumper off an S2000 before, but it should be pretty straightforward. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are Phillips screws holding it in place. That should remove this metal bracket. And then, like most cars, there should be like a bolt right here, probably a Phillips or a 10 mil or 8 mil. Holding it in place, and then underneath there should be some screws as well. So yeah, shouldn't be that hard. Let's get to removing the screws. Alright, so after you remove these 5 Phillips screws, this metal piece will come off, and this rubber gasket might stuck on here, so kind of remove it gently. So now the top part is loose, so let's get to figuring out removing this screw right here. There should be a screw that holds in the bumper to the fender right around here. So to remove these 2 bolts on the side, they are either 8mm sockets or you can use a Phillips screwdriver. So now that I got both sides out, I should be able to pop it on both sides. But before I do that, there's some clips underneath holding the front bumper on as well. Alright, so you want to make sure all the clips and bolts underneath the front bumper are removed. So now you want to remove this part of the bumper, which attaches to the fender. Be really careful. It is held on by like some plastic clips, so you want to kind of give it a little wiggle and just pop it up. And before you move the bumper, right here where it meets the fender, there's another 10mm bolt right here inside. It's kind of hard to see, but this is where it's at. It's kind of hard to feed a socket, so I recommend just using a wrench. And after you remove that small 10mm screw on each side, kind of where the headlights are, you want to kind of pop it out. So it's kind of held on like that by this metal bracket. So let me show you guys how it's done on the other side. You want to be real careful and gentle just to make sure you don't break any tabs right here. Yeah, so what you want to do is pretty much apply a little bit of force, be gentle, and just push it up. So yeah, I believe everything's off now. I can just go ahead and pull off my front bumper. Alright, I think I'm gonna separate the videos here. I know some of you guys might be wondering how to remove your front bumper. So if you get in an accident or you're trying to replace your front bumper for an aftermarket bumper, for example, these are the steps how to remove it. Pretty much 5 of the screws on the top, 1 on each side by the fender, more clips and screws on the bottom, and then there's like 1 on each side kind of by the headlight that's hidden. But yeah, all in all, it's pretty easy. It takes maybe about 10 minutes or so. All you really need is like a 10 mil, 8 mil, your Phillips screwdriver. So pretty easy. You could do it at home. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll be having the headlight removal video separately next, so make sure to stay tuned for that. If you stayed to the end, leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.